Hi friends, welcome to Indian Actress Paradise. In this video, you are going to watch Ramya's top 5 rain scenes. Ramya has done a lot of glamorous scenes, including rain scenes in her film career. Here are the list of top 5 rain scenes she has done in films. At number 5, Musanje Matu. This rain scene of Ramya were picturized for the song sequence for the film Musanje Matu. It is a 2008 Kannada film directed by Musanje Mahesh. Ramya was beautifully and aesthetically picturized in this rain dance sequence by the cinematographer Sundarnath Suvarna. At number 4, Excuse Me. This rain scene of Ramya was picturized for the climax scene of the film Excuse Me. It is a 2003 Kannada film directed by Prem. This emotional climax scene was performed by Ramya were hugely appreciated by both critics and audience, and this was photographed by the cinematographer M.R. Sino. Number 3, Sanju Vets Geeta. This rain scene of Ramya were picturized for the film Sanju Vets Geeta. It is a 2011 Kannada film directed by Nagashekar. Ramya was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer Satya Hegde. Her performance were hugely appreciated by both critics and audience, and she won several awards for this film. At number 2, Gauramma. This rain scene of Ramya were picturized for the song sequence for the film Gauramma. It is a 2005 Kannada film directed by Naganna. Ramya was beautifully picturized by the cinematographer Sai Satish. Ramya played a very glamorous role in the film, and her performance were hugely appreciated by both critics and audience. This film was a blockbuster. At number 1, Amrutadhare. This rain scene of Ramya were picturized for the song sequence for the film Amrutadhare. It is a 2003 Kannada film directed by Nagatihalli Chandrasekhar. Was beautifully picturized in this rain song by the cinematographer Krishna Kumar. She played a very glamorous role in the film and her performance were appreciated by both critics and audience. This video is dedicated to Ramya, the sandalwood queen of Indian cinema. Thank you for watching our video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe so that you will get notification on our next video. Thank you once again from Indian Actress Paradise.